Hello, I am Tim Mayer. Thank you for joining me for the Art at the Castle series. Walt Disney, who was a guest at the castle, is quoted as saying, "There is no magic in magic. It's all in the details." William Randolph Hearst and his architect, Julia Morgan, were attentive to details as well as the whole. They found particular inspiration in the architecture and artistry of Renaissance Spain, encouraged by Mr. Hearst's multiple excursions there, through illustrated books and from objects purchased through the world market of architectural salvage and art. Mr. Hearst was also interested in harmonizing his hilltop architecture, landscaping, and artworks with the dramatic natural surroundings of San Simeon. Artists of his era were able to make detailed copies of objects of art and architectural elements when he could not purchase them, both for interiors and exteriors. At the castle, everywhere you turn, in every direction you look, there are discoveries to be made. Inside the buildings, outdoor vistas might distract you from what exists just above your head. The Loggia of Casa del Sol has both dramatic exterior views to the west and ornate detail that commands your attention inside. The structure above was inspired by an antique 13th century wood ceiling in the cloister of the University of Salamanca, the oldest university in Spain, which was established in 1218. Ours is a 100-year-old cast plaster copy of that century's old ceiling. It was partially made in Oakland, California, and finished in the workshops here. It required one crew, led by John and Theo Vanderloo, to create the molds and cast the ceiling, another crew to do the intricate painting and gilding, and another to install it. Imagine sitting in this loggia before sunset as a guest of Mr. Hearst, below this ceiling of warm red and cool blue and glints of 24-karat gold leaf, then watching a similar blue sky fade into a flaming red sunset with the sun glinting like gold on the Pacific Ocean. This intricately detailed ceiling and accompanying view may be included on a semi-private special focus tour, such as the Art of San Simeon, or on a private tour.